building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme Rumham, and this is the building. This is the building an indie business podcast recorded in the indie business studio. Okay, so today I want to go over how to sell a digital product on WordPress. Yes, we are back to WordPress tutorials. So let's get into it. How to sell digital products on WordPress. Okay, so you start at your dashboard, and then since you already have WooCommerce installed, you go to products, you go to add new, and then you have all your basic product information. You have add new product, product name, product description, add media, then you have publish, product categories. I'm not going to talk about all that today. I'm going to go down to product data, and you have the option to say what type of product it is. Is it a simple product? Is it a group product? Is it an external affiliate variable? For this one, it's a simple product. And next, you have a checkbox. So, is your product virtual or is it downloadable, right? So, you want to check downloadable. Then you're going to put in your price. So $19.99 is the regular price, and $15.99 is the sales price. And then you could schedule your sales price from October 28th to October 30th. Okay. And then you're going to name your file. So, what do I want to sell? Okay, I'm going to sell a podcast episode. I'm going to sell the podcast trailer. So, I'm going to name it building. Oh, whoops. Why is it like that? Building an indie business podcast trailer. All right. And then, so that's the name of the downloadable file. Then there's the file URL, and then you'll choose your file. Mine's in downloads, I believe. Yes, it is. You're going to title it, and I would just title it exactly what it is. Hold on, I have to delete it. First, you want to name your title, or you want to name your file, because mine just came out as letters. So I'm literally going to just name it the same exact thing. Building an indie business podcast trailer. Okay. Now I go back and choose file, upload, select the file, uploading. Alright, so the title came as the same, description is the same, insert file. Alright. And then there's the download limit. Someone can download this and re-download it as many times as they want. And then download expiration date. Enter the number of days before a download link expires, or leave blank. So if you leave it blank, that means that it never expires. People can always download it. Sorry, I don't know why I forgot that. So for the product category, I'm going to do podcast episodes. Add new category. And the reason why I want to do this is because I want to show you what it looks like just if this was a real product. The product tag would be podcast. Set the product image. I'm going to do, if it ever loads, just like an image that I have that's set there. Product image gallery. You know, if you have audio, then you don't really need a lot of images, right? But your description should be strong. So, podcast trailer is the title, and then I'm going to put in the paragraph podcast trailer for the BAIB podcast if you want to buy it as a memento. And this is like no one can see this, but I'm still like filling it out like someone can. Short product description. Let's do BIB podcast trailer. Yes. Okay. So I filled out everything. Now I'm gonna publish. And it's publishing. And then preview changes. And it is loading. I made it out of clay. Loading. 1, 2, 3, 4, hey. Okay. So, podcast trailer, $19, BAB podcast trailer, category, podcast episode, tag, podcast. Then you could switch between the images, like any normal. And then podcast trailer for the BIB podcast if you want to buy it as a memento. That's after the images. Then there's also the opportunity for reviews. But what I would like to do is add the actual audio to the product page. And the product short description, it should be short product description, has an opportunity or like a button, actually they both do, to add media. So I'm just gonna press that button, insert into product, and there's the audio. Let's see if you can hear it. Hello and welcome to the Building an Indie Business Podcast. Okay, so yes, now I'm going to update. It's loading. Alright, then preview changes. Loading. Okay. So now the audio is first, and then the BIB podcast trailer, the little description. So I don't like how that's so close. So I'm going to add a little space, just hit enter right after the audio. Okay. Then I have to refresh. Yes, it's loading. Alright, that didn't do anything. Okay, anyways, the reason why I want to add space is just because I'd like to give it some space if it was an actual like product page. But yeah, that's everything. Yeah, so that's how you can sell digital products on WordPress. How to sell digital downloads. Yeah. Yeah. That's all I have for this episode. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.